Hello, so this is your instructions for today. Usually you don't have to watch this video, but for this week's assignment, it is mandatory because it will help you so much um, to understand what you need to do for today. And it'll help you do your assignments correctly. Okay, so for this week's assignment, we are using this link called City Walks. Okay, so what you need to do first is click on this link and it'll take you to this website. This website is super cool because you get to pick a city, and they have so many, and it's like if you were walking there. Okay, you can turn on the sounds and you can switch it from day to night, like that. And you can see how different it looks. Okay, so for the first part of your assignment, what you need to do is you need to pick two different cities that you will use for the rest of the assignment, okay? I already chose my cities. One of them is Chiang Mai, Thailand. I hope I pronounced that right. And my second city is Jerusalem, Israel. Okay? But you don't have to pick those. You can pick any one of these. But it would be better if they were cities from different countries, or even better from different continents. So once you have this, you move on to part one, which is describe your city. And I already have some examples on here, but what you have to do is you have to write at least 4 complete sentences. When I say complete, it means I want capital letter in the beginning and a period at the end. I know a lot of you forget to put a period. I know in Spanish the period is used differently, but in English you have to put a period at the end of all your sentences. Okay? So I will be looking for that. Capital letter, the beginning, and period at the end. So you're going to go back to this website. Oh, if this pops up, just press X. Okay. And I'm going to go to my first city, which was Chiang Mai, Thailand. And I'm just going to observe what I see. What do I see? Look, I see a dog. I see a dog. I see a temple. I see palm trees, people walking. I see motorcycle. I see that it's, oh look, a monk. Um, and I see that this is a tropical area, right? This is all I see. And if I turn on my sound, what do I hear? I hear people talking. I hear birds. I hear someone talking on a speaker. Okay, so now that I know all that, that's what I write right here. So actually before I did see motorcycles, but I guess now it moved. But I see a lot of motorcycles. I see a temple. I see a dog. I see people walking. And I see monks at a temple. Okay? And what I heard was I hear birds chirping. I hear a person talking on a speaker. Okay, so you have to do that. You can write 4 or more. So that was Thailand. If I go to Jerusalem, Israel, I will do the same thing. What do I see? I see cars here. I see cars. I see more urban city. Urbana is más urbana. Urbana, I think you said. Period. Okay? So that's what you're going to put. Very simple. Once you are done with this part, you're going to move on to part 2, where you compare the cities that you chose. You're going to find what is the same, what is different. Same, different. And you need to write at least 4 sentences of that you find things that are the same, and at least 4 sentences of things that you find that are different between the two. And for this, what I want you to do is I want you to use the grammar that you learned about comparing during these past weeks. So you can use and also, which kind of goes back to week 9's assignment, where you had to compare the White House to your house. If you did that, hopefully you remember it. Those sentences that you wrote here, the way you wrote them, you can use that same format here. Remember, you can also use the comparative form in your sentences. So go back and explore. One thing that I see different is that I see a lot of like these men that are wearing black, and I did not see that in Thailand. So what I'm going to put is in Jerusalem, there the men are wearing black clothes and oh wait, this would go actually, sorry, this would go in the different, because in Jerusalem the men are wearing black clothes and black hats. But in Chiang Mai, some men were bald. Okay, that's one thing that I saw. Another thing that I see is different is the buildings. The buildings are very different from Chiang Mai. Okay. Oh, look, it switched. Let's see. One thing that is the same is, let's see. And you can use nighttime too if you want. So maybe in the night we'll find something that is the same. One thing that is the same, I see a lot of stores that are still open in Jerusalem. I see stores as well. So here I can write Jerusalem has many stores open at night, and Chiang Mai also has many stores open at night. Okay, so you're going to do 4 of these. I want 4 things that you find that are the same and 4 things that are different between the 2 cities you chose. If you have any questions, if you're still confused on how to do this assignment, please let me, Ms. Campos, know, or Ms. Reyes. You can email us or send us a message on Schoology or Zoom with us if you want. Okay, but I hope you enjoy using this website. I think it's pretty cool. And yeah, I'll see you guys on Friday.